If you want to clone apps and use your dual apps on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, there are two methods of doing this. And the first one is through the built-in features. So let's open up our settings. Now let's scroll down to security and privacy. In our security and privacy tab, we're gonna scroll down to the very bottom and locate our private space. Now let's verify that you are the owner of this phone and let's press setup. Now give your phone a couple seconds to set it up. Great. Now you can create an external Google account to keep your data private, so it's gonna be accounting to your account. However, I'll use my account. Now you can either choose a new lock or use your older screen lock from your original phone. Great. Now let's press use screen lock. We are all set. Press done. So now we can locate our private space. We're gonna scroll down to the very bottom and tap on this lock icon. Scan our finger. So here is your apps. You can install many of the apps through your Google Play. You have to sign in once again. Keeping in mind that all of those applications are the copies of the original apps which you are using. Let's press lock. Also, the second way is through your third-party app. So there are many of those applications, many of them. For example, let's use DualSpy. So install it, press open. And there it is. Sometimes you need to give all the necessary permissions. Simply press plus. And here, once again, you can add up any application. For example, your YouTube, press clone. You may see an advertisement because this is a free application. Right, and there you are. Basically works exactly the same, and I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.